money. Welcome back to Carson's Cooking Show. Today we're going to cook a juicy steak. Today we are my cooking camp. You guys can see what I'm seeing right now. Look at my steak and my sauce. First we have our Daddy King Close marinade sauce. We're going to spray it all over the steak. Now we have our dry rub. Now we're going to spray it all on. Now we just flip it over. Ooh, look at that. Good stuff, baby. I'm going to turn the grill on. Now we'll let it heat. Now we're going to put the juicy steak on. Me and my mom whipped up some garlic butter. Now we're going to put some on the steak. Now it's butter time. I'm going to put it on the plate. Now I'm going to put the other garlic butter on it. Now my magic hand is going to come in and help me. That is good money, bro. Now, cracker time. Not bad. Do you know what goes with good of steak? Watermelon. This doesn't look good. No, I got a great idea. Let's go get a straight off the vine watermelon. Yeah, let's go! Welcome back to Carson's Cooking Show. Today we're going to have some watermelon.